Good morning. Let us move to the third thermodynamic potential. Third thermodynamic potential is enthalpy. It is represented by the letter capital H. It has dimensions of energy. So enthalpy is one form of energy in thermodynamical systems. Enthalpy H is represented by the equation H is equal to U plus PV, equation number 1. Enthalpy H of a thermodynamical system is given by equation 1. H is equal to U plus PV. Differentiate both sides of this equation to get dH is equal to du plus pdv plus vdp, equation number 2. Let us differentiate equation 1 on both sides to get dH is equal to du plus pdv plus vdp. Then delta q is equal to du plus delta w as usual, that is du plus pdv or du is equal to delta q minus pdv, equation 3. Further, according to second law of thermodynamics, ds is equal to delta q by t, and from this we will have delta q is equal to t ds, equation number 4. Substitute equation 4 in equation 3 for delta q to get du is equal to t ds minus pdv, equation number 5. And now substitute equation 5 in equation 2 for dh to get dH is equal to T ds minus P dV plus PdV plus VdP plus PdV minus PdV get cancel, and what left is dH is equal to TdS plus VdP, equation number 6. Change in enthalpy of a system is given by dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. Special case 1, if this thermodynamic system undergoes adiabatic change, TdS will be 0 and you will have dH is equal to VdP, equation number 7. Or you consider second case as the given thermodynamic system undergoes isobaric change. In that case, dH is equal to TdS is equal to dQ, equation number 8. When we consider only adiabatic change, we will have dH is equal to VdP. When we have this system undergoes isobaric change, pressure will be held constant. dH is equal to TdS. TdS is nothing but delta Q, or you may write dQ from this equation. TdS is delta Q or dQ. From equation 8, you can draw certain interpretation. Equation 8 has certain meaning. Change in enthalpy of a thermodynamical system when the system undergoes isobaric change is always equal to amount of heat energy absorbed by the thermodynamical system. Here from equation 7 we may not draw any meaning, but when this thermodynamic system undergoes isobaric change, isobaric process, change in enthalpy of this thermodynamic system will always be equal to amount of heat energy absorbed by the thermodynamic system under consideration. This type of meaning can be drawn from equation 8. Let us go for third special case. For third special case, we shall consider this thermodynamic system undergoes simultaneously isobaric, isothermal, reversible change. Let us consider this thermodynamic system undergoes isobaric, isothermal, reversible process. If this thermodynamic system undergoes isobaric, isothermal, reversible process, what will happen? TdS will be equal to 0 for isothermal and dP is equal to 0 for isobaric. With this equation 6 becomes dH is equal to 0, and that is nothing but H is equal to constant, equation number 9. It means that if a thermodynamic system undergoes isobaric, isothermal, reversible process, Helmholtz function, Helmholtz free energy of the given thermodynamical system remains constant. There won't be any change in the enthalpy of the thermodynamic system if it undergoes isobaric, isothermal, reversible process. This is about the third thermodynamic potential enthalpy. Hope you got it. It is solved. Thank you.